Want a t-shirt? I'll get some if you want. Put them in the comments below. Been told, be careful, look where I'm walking, aren't I? We're walking by Port. Do you want to be famous? Jodie, come here, madam. Hey, look.
Oh, fancy bumping into you.
Are you smoking dope? 'Cause I can smell dope. Making you famous? You're already famous. Let's have a look. Right, we've just been up the keg. What do you think about the keg?
Yeah, loved it.
Good fun, wasn't it?
Yeah. Good music, good beer.
Bit busy though, wasn't it?
Good company.
Good company, of course, of course. Now we're going to walk around the Port Colon and where are we going? Moonlight. All right, let's go. Let's go to the Moonlight then. If you want tapas, go to that place. Absolutely superb. I got some pictures for it yesterday. Really nice. Couldn't eat it all. What, me? Yeah, you saying? Yeah. Sky bar up there. That's rocking at night. Just keep your wits about you around here. That's all. Moody skies, but the sun's trying to get through. It's always the sun. There's the Pinta, look at that hotel. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. And that is after the storm we had this morning. There's some big old waves coming in. Some madman in there. Look at that, it's lovely. I suppose you've seen this so many times walking along here, but it's the main prom. Or maybe we're going to be walking up there by Kaluna Bar. Might see my mate Richie. Got my handbags down here. Or a child if you want. There's a lot of Chinese run the places. They must get a tax break or something. That is not official, but it could be. Massage. What kind of massage? Oh, fish. No, I don't want them. Yeah, you got your obligatory volcano. I think at night you set fire to the top with those. Not bad for a not a very good day, is it? Lovely and warm now. It's a bit rough, it's a bit rough, isn't it? But I'd rather be looking at that than anything else, wouldn't you? No. Kaluna Bar. Don't think it's open today. Kaluna Bar. That's why they all show their new teeth off and their new hair from Turkey. I don't know how much it is. They never had a price on it. We're in the Moonlight Bar now and it's sunset time. Where you are. Right then, that's another great day. Been down the Kegan Church and we've been down the Moonlight. Lovely day, it'll be on there. So, thanks for watching. Catch you on the other one. Bye.